end of the cabin. They are fitted with baby change tables as well as sensors. Reminder that smoking, vaping, and e-cigarettes are not permitted on board. We also recommend that you keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated. When opening an overhead lockers in flight, please be careful that items such as water bottles don't fall out, causing injury to you or your fellow passengers. We will shortly be coming through with our in-flight service. You will find a menu in your seat pocket which contains a variety of options. We accept all major credit cards. Please be mindful that we do require the digital cards for gift purchase today. Please now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's flight. If there could be of any assistance, please don't hesitate to ask.
Where's that?
What?
What's that?
Oh, well that's Peel Island there. That's Wellington Point.
I didn't realise how small those islands were.
And one further up, that's St Helena.
All right.
There's Manly down there.
Yep.
See the harbour?
Yes.
Oh, that's Peel Island there. That one out. That's Tingalpa, Capella Bar.
Okay. Is that spreading?
Hey?
Is that Spratborough Island?
Yeah. So that'd be like, that's Coochie Mudlow there on the left.
Oh, okay. Yep.
And you've got all, you know, all the Isle, Macleay Island, Lamb Island.
Yep.
That's Jumping Pin Bar there. See where the sand is and the,
Yep.
over there.
Yep.
That's the quarry, Mount
okay.
Cotton. Oh, there's the Gold Coast just there.
Okay. Yep.
That's the M1, just down through there.
Okay.
I've got it all taped, show you.